So I'm trying to improve my filming setup. I use my cell phone because I don't want to spend a ton of money on a camera when the cameras that come on the new smartphones are great. But when I'm trying to film myself, I can't see if I'm in shot because there's no display on this side. So I had this old Raspberry Pi display I used for a PC build a while ago. And I 3D printed a little mount, took to the top of a phone mount, and a bunch of cables and whatnot. It works, but the problem is it is very, very dim. And you can hardly see it in bright sunlight. And it's really heavy and it pulls down the tripod. So I was searching the internet and I came across a product on Amazon and I wanted to show it to you guys. So let's get unboxing. I went ahead and installed the phone mount that came with the vlog screen on my tripod because the vlog screen hooks to it by a magnet. My phone paired to the vlog screen really easy using the Samsung Smart View, so it's quick and easy. This is way brighter than the Raspberry Pi screen, and it's way smaller and lighter, really easy to use. So I'm definitely going to use this screen moving forward. And if you're interested in this product, I got a link in the description box below. Catch you on the next one.